Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to glue on your handrails. But before I do that, I'm just going to do a quick recap. If you watched my review, I talked about how I was missing one of the handrails right here. And I reached out to Rapido months ago about it, and I haven't heard back. 3 days after I made that video, I did hear back. They finally did get back with me and let me know that they're sending out the handrails. But I held off on making any video about it until it got here and I discussed about it. If those who didn't know, Rapido were having they were just really short-handed. It's the best way to describe it. They just couldn't get through all the requests. They were struggling, so they finally were able to get enough people hired. And I finally heard back about my parts, and they sent them. And I figured I'd do a video showing you how I'm glue the handrails back on. So, let's begin. You do not want to use super glue because oh, I thought I dropped the handrail. You want to make sure the long hand piece like here, like that, because this is going to be your top, that's going to be your bottom. If not, you're going to watch me glue upside down and refix it. If you give me a second, I'm going to go grab the handrail I just accidentally dropped. I got my handrails right here. So what I'm going to do is dip the end of it. Put that back in there. You do not want to use super glue because it will rip the paint off. So I'm going to need a steady hand. I'm using rubber cement. A sec. There's the final product, and I like using rubber cement because if it has a good hold, and if it dries clear for another, then if I don't, I can always add more glue later on, but the benefit of rubber cement is just the fact that such as this, I'm going to, it has a good hold, but also you can also rub it off. But if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. Feel free to comment. And if you want to stay connected, hit the bell icon and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day.